This is Leslie Shadd from Natural Habitat Evanston asking you to take the Pollinator Pledge. You may know that insects and songbirds and other critters in our yards are in steep population decline. Insects, they've reported bumblebees and mayflies losing almost half their biomass, populations, basically half of the population. And songbirds have declined 30% since 1970. But there's hope. We can maintain our yards so that it helps protect insects. Here's the pledge to protect pollinators and birds. Leave the leaves in fall, leave plant stalks and seed heads, no pesticides or lawn chemicals, native plants for year-round forage for insects and birds, mow less by reducing the size of your lawn, and reduce light pollution. You can take the pledge at greenerevanston.org Pollinator Pledge. And there's no cost to that. That's just sign up, and it's become sort of a petition where we encourage others as well, and the city and landscapers to help us with spreading the word for more sustainable yard management.
Leave the leaves in the fall. Just rake leaves under trees and into flower beds for mulch. This protects the insects overwintering there.
Insects overwinter under leaf litter and just under the ground and in plant stalks. Birds eat seed heads during winter, so we can leave our leaves and leave our plant stalks, just scoop them underneath trees and shrubs and let them deteriorate during the winter time.
Leave plant stalks and seed heads for the birds, and don't use pesticides or lawn chemicals that can kill them.
Plant stalks and seed heads, if we can leave those standing and let the birds eat from them, and when it gets to be 50 degrees or so, the insects should emerge and fly.
Mow less.
One element of the Pollinator Pledge is to mow less. Well, how do you mow less? Well, one idea is to plant shrubs. So this is a spice bush that's just starting to bud out here in April, and it's a native plant that is the host plant for this spice bush swallowtail butterfly. So maybe later on I can take another picture of our spice bush. Behind it are some red cedars, and there are other shrubs and trees that you can plant that just reduce the size of your lawn overall. Or you could plant flower beds to reduce your lawn.
Reduce light pollution.
Another thing that you can do for insects is to turn off your outdoor lights. Reducing light pollution helps insects because insects tend to be attracted to lights and gather there and are easy pickings for predators like spiders and bats and birds that may just hang out there in order to pick off the insects, and that is contributing to the reduction in population according to some studies. So either turn off your lights or put them perhaps on a motion sensor. Also, amber colored lights are less attractive to insects. So there's several options. Thanks to family and friends for spreading the word on the Pollinator Pledge. Hope you will too. Thanks for listening.